Hi, my name is Logan Jaffe and I'm the project manager of Redmar X. And throughout the video, you're going to see how each team member contributed to each of the project and how they and what their significance was of the project. So this week, our task was our robots. It was a Robots Got Talent. So for this week, we're gonna make the robots go head to head in a nice heated race. And by doing that, we're gonna program it to make sure that they can go really fast and make sure they race at each other and go head to head. And we're gonna be doing this virtually instead of physically because it'll just be a lot more time efficient and it'll be a lot more easier for us to do. For the robots that are racing, we're using the Clawbot for it to race because it'll be the easiest to do. And we're excited that it's gonna be a fun little race this year and hopefully everyone races fairly. Boom.
I'm Kellyanne Wiley, and it's week 4 now, and we were using the Clawbot robot in the virtual world. So for this week, we're doing a talent show in the virtual world, and for our group, we're going to be racing like 4 to 5 Clawbots and through the virtual world. This will show the extreme versatility that will be used in our grocery store, and it'll be helpful in the virtual world to just race.
Hi, I'm Steve Melchor. I am the editor and I've recorded each part and edited each part of our segment of the talent show that we have and showed how the robot will race the other robot.
I'm Ava, I'm the security manager, and our task for this week relates to our mission on Mars because once we race the robots, it will tell us which one is the best for our store.
AI?
Right now we are doing AI out of robots. Next semester we'll put AI on robots.
So you'll be applying what they did first semester.
So see that robotic arm
The which one?
on top of the
Plaque cabinet?
yeah.
Oh.
See that arm? I'm gonna throw that at them and say, okay, control this arm with AI and do something.
I'm Jackson Rapuch, and I'm the construction manager, and I was one of the main people who focused on coding our talent show robots for this week. And for this week, we were doing a robot race, and so we had 2 robots lined up. Originally, we had 4, but due to lag in the physics, we couldn't do all 4. So we ended up with doing 2 robots, and so we had them set with the same type of code. And due to the robot physics and robot mesh, it kept running a different robot each time. So it was ultimately random. So therefore, it wasn't an unbiased robot race. So you could therefore bet on each robot. But on the code, we have spin forward blocks and spin reverse blocks for a robot project, and that made the robot go forward. And we had also had arm forward velocities that made the arm lift up so we didn't get stuck with the claw motor on the robot.
Oh.
Hey, my name is Adel Murillo. I'm the repair manager, and I work with Jackson on the code this week. So I'm about to talk to you about some of the problems we had. So for the problems we had some issues with the time management. We had a lot of issues controlling how to separate the code, how to work with the project, and how to separate the parts. Everything just wasn't working very well for us. And it was a little struggle just kind of controlling it and managing everything. And then we had some issues with the robot. It was very laggy. It wasn't doing the parts that it should have been. It wasn't running as smooth, and just a lot of issues with that. And then another issue was with the computer. The computer, for some reason, the computer just couldn't handle what we were doing with the code. So we had to move around and find better computers, just trial and error, because it was either one computer wasn't working, this computer might be working. It was like a little bit on and off, or we had to just find the perfect computer. And once we found it, and then we were to fix our problems.
I'm Kellyanne Wiley, and I'm going to be doing the post narration for week 4. So for this week, we were doing the talent show like previously said, and we ran into some issues on the virtual world. So for example, our robot was just not moving, or there wasn't enough robots. We had to add more robots. The program was just being so slow. So we tried other computers and it still didn't work.